Brief accurate and important news of today's Thursday. Deputy PM for Political Affairs Maulavi Abdul Kabir said in a speech at Spedar Palace that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan is a common system of all Afghans and we are trying to solve the existing problems. Acting Minister of Interior Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani said in a conference with a scholar, philanthropist and tribal leaders of the Ahmadzai tribe, in the word, those nations are successful that have unity and those governments that have public support are successful. Acting Minister of Foreign Affairs Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi said in a speech to the people at Spedar Palace, the currency of many countries in the world is going down against the dollar, but the Afghani is proceeding up. Sheikh Mohammed bin Abdul Rahman Al Thani, the PM and Foreign Minister of Qatar, discussed the need for continuing humanitarian assistance with the people of Afghanistan in a telephone call with Jack Sullivan, the US National Security Advisor. The Ministry of National Defense says, in the 215 Azam Corps of Helmand Province, 40 armor tanks were prepared and now they are ready to use. The officials of the contractor company for digging diversion tunnel of Bakhshabad Dam in Farah Province say that 86% of the works of diversion tunnel of Bakhshabad Dam have been completed and the remaining 352 meters will be completed very soon.